Good afternoon and welcome to a second video tutorial on processing your screencasting. This video follows having created the actual screencast, and now I want to take a side trip. Perhaps I'm working on additional content for additional classes. I've maybe taken a break in between. How do I find my existing screencasts? Once I open up my Google Chrome browser, I can find my Screencastify icon in the upper right-hand corner. Click on it one time, and it will come up with my typical recording window, but up on the toolbar is an option to go directly to my recordings, which is what I want to do here. And here is the actual recording where I showed you how to create a recording. So this is the sample I'm going to go ahead and use as a sample to go ahead and process it into Google Classroom. I've gone ahead and opened it here. Now it's going to take a moment to load because it has to download, and I'm on a smaller screen. So over here on the right hand side, you would typically see a white block that shows me what I can do with this. But because I'm on a small screen, it's hidden under my little arrow. And if I click on that little arrow, now I get my white block with my particular options. I can do a variety of different kinds of things, but for the most part, we're going to simply click Share to Classroom. Now it's going to ask me, okay, which classroom do I want to share to? And obviously I need to have had my Google Classroom set up ahead of this. I'm going to click on the action, or excuse me, click on the piece that I want. And right from this screen, I can choose to create an assignment, make an announcement, create a material. And I'm going to, for my purposes, create an assignment. And I'm going to click on Go. Now, this is going to take me immediately into the point where I can actually add it into my Google Classroom and assign it. Now, there's a lot of different options that I can use in terms of setting due dates and topics and things like that. And I would encourage you to go ahead and take a look at the tutorials related to best setup for an assignment versus a material versus your topics, etc. For the moment, though, I'm going to go ahead and click on Assign. And now it's done. If I were to click on View, because I assigned it immediately, it is in there. And if I were to look at my Google Classroom, I can see that indeed I've posted a new assignment. And if I go over to classwork, I can see that indeed it is now posted here, and my students would be able to see it immediately. So that is all you need to do to create a basic screencast and publish it to your Google Classroom. Hope this helps. Talk to you later.